One, two, turn irons. You have on my tablet. I mean camera. Phone. Okay, big space. Put that on. So this is connected I created. So this is it. It's not really big. Wait. Let's see. So this is it. This is how big it is. I don't know if I like it or not. But I like it. I have some accessories. Sword. This shield is brown. Heater. Let me just place them and so you can see cheap. And easy if you want to subscribe. Easy if you're watching this and you want to watch the video. So this is like I think a police mech. It has Navy wanted posters put on it. Oh, this. Sorry, Mom. Opo. Okay. So. Okay.
7 years old. Nakita mo kay Mamo yung Boy Scout of the Philippines.
Ready, handa.
Laging handa. Paano yung laging handa? Attention! Laging handa. Boy Scout of the Philippines.
Labuhan.
Sorry, everybody, that's my arm.
Boy Scout of the Philippines.
Mabuhay, hindi
Boy
labuhay.
Scout of the Philippines. Ready, handa.
Wait, let me get that.
Mabuhay.
Galing Boy Scout of the Philippines.
Ready, handa.
Mabuhay.
Ready na, handa ka.
Sino pogi?
Ako.
Sino may sabi?
Ako.
Show Mamo the face that only mother can love.
So,
Sino mas pogi? Daddy, ate.
ako.
Ah?
Ako.
Sino pangit? Daddy, ate.
Dad.
Adi, pangit ka rin. Pangit daddy mo. Ah. Would you agree? Pangit ka rin. Pangit daddy mo.
I forgot to say this, but it's right. It's cool. It's really cool. I like it. There's a size comparison to it. I'm gonna compare it to a Raptor. Here, maybe here a Raptor. But I can't really stand it. So sorry. Oh! Sorry. Sorry about that. So this is the Raptor I'm gonna use. Yeah, that's the standard. Yes. Come on now. It's fake. Uh, oh no. Oh no. 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 Oh. 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 No. No. Not bounced enough. Uh, there you go. Boom. So this is the size of the Mac. Ow!
Boy Scout.
Boy Scout of the Philippines.
Pwede handa.
Mabuhay.
Mabuhay.
Mabuhay. Mabuhay yung patay.
That. No.
Boy Scout of the Philippines.
Pwede handa. So that's
Scout
for
ba siya?
my
Oo, kanina.
Eh, ano naman siya ng uniform?
Ayun, natupad na.
May Boy Scout uniform siya?
Oo, binilan ko.
Yung brown?
Oo.
So,
Boy Scout of the Philippines. Itapon mo yung mga hindi kailangan. Ito ilagay mo to doon sa
oh. Oh. Good morning, Dad. I mean, good afternoon.
Ano pa?
Oh. So use the key. Bro. No, bro. Charger. Using the charger.
Ilagay ko sa bowl ang pagkain mo. Ha, Boy Scout? Boy Scout of the Philippines. Ready, handa. Ha? Magahe ka? Diba?
Hindi pa naman. Try ko lang.
Mom, I'm just recording a video.
Hindi pa pala tayo dati nakapili na pang ano ni Ali.
Um,
Ang Christmas party. Na exchange gift. Ali, ano ang ano ni Whitmin? Ano ang gusto niya? Dati, gusto mo ng ano? Ito kung
ano? Yung pagkain kanina ni Ali, kinain mo.
hindi. Ayun.
Ano kinain mo?
Ito, yung kanin nitong bistik. May kanin pa kanina eh.
Saan galing to?
Pinili ko.
Saan?
The original Paris. Gusto niya itong bistik. Hoy! Boy Scout! Gusto niya rin yung sabaw. Sabaw ng Paris. Gusto niya. Boy Scout! Parang Ayaw kumain ng mga chicken na yun, tsaka mga related sa chicken. Boy Scout! Halika na! Halika na, anak ko!
Ay, hindi ko maalam.
Ha? Bitin siya eh. Boy Scout! Daddy, pag-yari ka kayo? Pagka uwi mo,
I'm just recording a video.
Ha?
I'm recording a video.
You are recording a video?
Yes.
Sige na, kain ka na, Boy Scout.
Is that okay?
Why are you making a video? What for?
Well, why not?
Hold po lang pala nga.
Yes, dear. And for the rest of the year.
Well, then you had. Oh.
Baby.
May kanin pa to, di ba?
Oh.
Ooh, this looks cool.
Boy Scout.
Of the Philippines. Labuhay.
Labuhay.
This is it. This is it. So big. Sorry. This is it. Oh, I will place the hand. No, but.
Boys Club of the Philippines, handa na ba kayo?
Ready, handa.
Ready, handa.
So that's it. And we have some features. You can bend.
Malamig na yung food mo.
Box. Bye.